Hi, Coach Castle. So we've been working with each other for a little bit over a month, and I've known you for around 2 months, and already I can tell that I've made such exponential growth in my own personal betterment, not just with fitness, but also with my mental health and my mindfulness of things. I've been a lot more conscious of how I interact with my world and what I choose to do with my time. You've helped me by showing me how you live your life, how you don't take your own excuses, also how you're able to juggle many things and at the same time still have the energy to encourage your clients and friends and family to keep bettering themselves. So I really want to thank you for that. You're also always looking out for my best interest, and I really appreciate every time that you can encourage me, even the encouragement that might be physically enduring and exhausting for me. Still, thank you so much for doing that, because I'm learning more and more about how to push my limits further. So, thank you very much.